Guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do a special unboxing of this case, which is a Caseology by Spigen, and Caseology is the name of the brand, guys. And by the way, this is an ultra premium experience of unboxing this particular case. Also, you get this nice microfiber cloth to clean the phone, and this is my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in hazel color, and it's one of the best phones available in the market, and I'll be doing a complete review of this too, and I'll be telling and sharing my experience after using this case for a very long time. So till now I've been using this for about 3 weeks, and as you can see, this is one of my favorite cases of all time. And at the back you get this nice silicone gel kind of material which is going to protect your phone against drops and bumps. And till my experience, guys, I've been using this case for 3 weeks. The cutouts and everything is extremely premium, and we have a branding of Caseology over here and even at the back. And basically, guys, after using this 3 weeks, in my 3 weeks of testing, I would say this flexible TPU case, which is by Caseology, which is by Spigen, is one of the best cases available in the market. So let me just snap and show you how it looks. There are other cases like clear cases, which I've already done a review and all, which are also premium, but the Caseology is on another level. As you can see at the side, there is this grip kind of texture, and even the earpiece is quite bit visible over here, as you can see. And I had no issues when taking phone calls and all. um, Basically it is protecting your camera visor, and it is having a good protection, especially at the side, guys. It is having this nice rubbery texture and something like a dotted pattern which is going to protect your phone, and it is just going to have a extra grip while holding this particular phone. At the back it is having this sandstone kind of material which you used to get with the older OnePlus phones. And especially this is one of my go-to cases, guys, and I'm extremely happy with it. So just to show you whether this is working with something like a wireless charger, and yes, it does work with all the wireless charger, including my MagSafe charger, which I've been using to charge my iPhones, etc. And I had no issues while charging this particular phone, and definitely I'm not going to get it change to something else. Maybe I'm going to test others. And let me know in the comments below which cases should I test. Should I test some pigeon cases or something other? And I hope you'll like this particular video. So please do subscribe and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel.